Today we're playing with my Hot Wheels. And today, and what's so cool about this is this skating thing is that, so when you use this thing, it spins. You see, it spins. And that's cool, right? And then when we just pull and then you just see it, and then it just goes, watch. Whee! It just fell. What this thing is, that it has this thing, right? It says Hot Wheels. So when you put the car in this thing, got it, and then after that you just get, whee! Wow, that was amazing, so cool, right? And then now we just have to rape it this rubber. Set this back. Alright. And then now, woo! And then when you just launch this and look, this is now this police station. So I just connected them. And now look. Now the car is going in the police station. And then what's so cool about it is that it has an elevator. So the car can go in the elevator and it can go to jail. And then look, when it goes in the jail, he's trapped. Forever now. Hey, let me out of here. But what? But then now he escaped. So when you connect the police station with the skating thing, then you just take your Hot Wheel car, and then after that you just load it in. And then now look what's here. The Hot Wheels car is here. And look, there's a storage. I see popcorn. It's the popcorn car. And then woo! Like and subscribe, guys. And comment down below if my video is good or bad. Doesn't matter. Bye bye.